to create the coolest, most personal, most amazing handmade gift for your dad. This message will not self-destruct, so let's get started. Oh no. Does this look familiar? That date is getting closer and closer on the calendar, and that little voice in your head is going, what am I gonna get him? Okay, take a deep breath. Don't worry, we've got all the intel you need to totally nail this. Okay, first up, mission file number 1. Our first target profile is the dad who's basically a superhero of the backyard barbecue. You know him, you love him. He is the Grill King. So to impress the Grill King, your mission dossier has 3 awesome options: a totally personalized apron, your very own secret spice rub, or a super handy BBQ tool holder. This one is so easy, but it looks amazing. Just grab a plain apron, any color works, and get some fabric paint. You can write something funny like King of the Grill or Danger Man Cooking, or you could even just put your handprints on it. It's an instant classic. Or what about this? You get to be a spice genius. Just grab some things like paprika, garlic powder, maybe a little chili powder, and mix them all up in a bowl. Then you just pour it into a cool little jar. The best part? You get to give it a top secret name like Dad's Awesome Burger Blast. He'll think it's so cool that you made your own recipe. All right, moving on to mission file number 2. Our next target is the Desk Dynamo. Yep, this is for the dad who runs the world from his office chair. Let's give his workspace a serious power-up. Our intel suggests 3 fantastic ways to make his desk way more fun. A coffee mug that's one of a kind, a custom desk organizer, or some seriously cool coasters made out of maps. Every desk dynamo needs coffee to fuel his day, right? So take a plain white mug and some oil-based markers and just go wild. You could draw a funny cartoon of him or write an inside joke that only you 2 get. And here's the secret trick. After you're done drawing, you bake the mug in the oven, just follow the directions on the markers. That makes the design permanent, so he can use it every single day. Okay, this one is so thoughtful. Find some old maps of places that are special to him, like maybe where he grew up or your favorite family vacation spot. You can get some cheap plain coasters and just use DuPage glue to stick the maps on. It's a gift that's super useful but also full of amazing memories. Time for mission file number 3. Now this one's for the memory keeper. You know, the dad who saves every single card you've ever given him and loves looking at old photos. For this dad, we're going right for the heart. You could make a little all-about dad book, create a jar that's literally full of your favorite memories, or put together a photo album by hand. The memory jar might just be the easiest and most powerful gift ever. Seriously, you just find any old jar and then on little pieces of paper, you write down your favorite memories with him. Things like, remember that time we went fishing, or I love when you tell those silly jokes. Fill the jar up and you've got a gift he can look at anytime he needs a smile. And if you do the little printable book, get ready to laugh. The answers you come up with are always the best part because they're so honest and sweet. This one here, a classic. All right, Agent, time for mission file number 4. This one is all about gifts you can eat. This is probably the most delicious mission you'll ever go on. We've got 2 super fun ideas for you. A homemade snack mix that's all his favorites, or, wait for it, chocolate mustaches on a stick. Yup. The key to this gift is that you get to customize it. You know what he likes, right? So grab some different kinds of cereal, some pretzels, maybe some nuts, and toss them all together with his favorite savory spices. You just bake it for a few minutes till it's toasty, and then pop it in a cool tin. Perfect for movie night. How fun are these? You can find a mustache-shaped candy mold online or at a craft store pretty easily. Then you just melt his favorite kind of chocolate. Dark, milk, doesn't matter. Pour it in the mold, add a little stick, and let it cool. It's a hilarious and yummy treat. Okay, agents, we're almost done. This is the final mission briefing. This one's for all of you who might be running a little short on time. These are your last-minute lifesavers. They're quick, they're easy, but they are still totally full of heart. First up, the legendary DIY coupon book. And the first coupon has to be the gift of ultimate power. That's right, control of the TV remote for one whole night. He will feel like a king. Or how about a coupon for a free car wash? But here's the catch. It's by you. He gets a sparkling clean car, and he doesn't have to do any of the work. It's a win-win. And of course, the all-time classic, a coupon for breakfast in bed. Waking up to pancakes that he didn't have to make himself, that is pure luxury, my friends. Another super fast idea is a custom keychain. You could use a little slice of wood and draw on it, a piece of leather and stamp his initials in it, or, and this is a fun throwback, you could use Shrinky Dinks. It's small, it's personal, and it's something he'll see every single day. So as we wrap things up here, just remember the most important part of this whole mission. It doesn't matter if it's perfect. What really matters is that you took the time to make something special just for him. The secret ingredient is, you guessed it, love. And that's a wrap. Your mission briefing is complete. You have all the plans, all the ideas, all the intel you need to succeed. So the only question is, what amazing gift are you gonna create? Go for it.